Glory be to God. Now, why am I declaring this to you prophetically? Because something.
Yes.
Yes. We are in a dispensation, dimensional time transfer here. From a prophetic standpoint. And things are about to ratchet up. Saith the Lord. Things are about to ratchet up. Saith the Lord. Things are about to ratchet up. Saith the Lord. And you will even see and hear of explosions. Between now, this word of the Lord is released. You are about to hear on the news explosions. Explosions, saith the Lord. Okay? Now,
some 150 people have been wounded in Beirut suburbs and other parts of Lebanon after their handheld pagers reportedly exploded today. Many suffered wounds to their hands or near their pants pockets. Lebanese state media and security officials says it was not immediately clear if people were killed. A senior military intelligence official and an official with the Lebanese group with knowledge of the situation said that pagers carried by Hezbollah members were detonated. A second official said it was believed to be an Israeli attack. Israel's military declined
New York,
to comment.
I'm Zain Asher.
And I'm Bianca Goldriger. You are watching One World. And we begin this hour with breaking news out of Lebanon yet again. For the second straight day, communication devices are exploding. And this time, it appears to be walkie-talkies.
At least 9 people are dead. Hundreds have been wounded. And that's according to the Lebanese Health Ministry. That blast that you just heard in Beirut set off panic in the streets, as you can see here. That was amid a crowd attending a funeral for Hezbollah fighters. Early reports indicate the explosions took place in southern Lebanon and in the southern suburbs of